Are you haunted by the mysteries of the past? In 1912, the world witnessed one of the most infamous maritime disasters in history. The RMS Titanic, deemed unsinkable, met a tragic fate on its maiden voyage. Join us as we uncover the story of the Titanic, exploring what really happened on that fateful night. The RMS Titanic was a marvel of early 20th century engineering, built by the White Star Line to be the largest and most luxurious ship of its time. At 882 feet long and 175 feet high, the Titanic boasted advanced safety features including watertight compartments and remotely activated watertight doors. Yet it was these very features that led many to believe the ship was unsinkable. On April 10, 1912, the Titanic embarked on its maiden voyage from Southampton, England to New York City. On board were over 2,200 passengers and crew, ranging from wealthy elites to emigrants seeking a new life in America. The ship made stops in Cherbourg, France and Queenstown, Ireland, before heading into the open Atlantic. On the night of April 14, 1912, the Titanic was cruising through the frigid waters of the North Atlantic. Despite receiving several iceberg warnings, the ship continued at near top speed. At 11:40 p.m., lookout Frederick Fleet spotted an iceberg directly ahead. The crew attempted to maneuver around it, but it was too late. The starboard side of the Titanic struck the iceberg, causing catastrophic damage. The collision caused a series of ruptures in the Titanic's hull, flooding 5 of its watertight compartments. The ship's designers had calculated it could stay afloat with up to 4 compartments breached. As water poured in, it became clear that the Titanic was doomed. The crew began launching lifeboats, but with only enough space for about half of those on board, many were left behind. Panic and confusion ensued as the ship gradually sank. At 2:20 a.m. on April 15th, the Titanic broke apart and disappeared beneath the waves, leaving over 1,500 people in the icy waters. The RMS Carpathia arrived approximately 2 hours later, rescuing around 700 survivors from lifeboats. The world was stunned by the news, leading to widespread grief and calls for improved maritime safety regulations. The tragedy of the Titanic led to significant changes in maritime policies, including the establishment of the International Ice Patrol and requirements for sufficient lifeboats for all passengers. The shipwreck, discovered in 1985, has since been extensively explored, revealing new insights and preserving the memory of those who perished. The story of the Titanic is a poignant reminder of human ambition and the unpredictability of nature. As we reflect on this tragedy, we honor the memory of those who lost their lives and continue to learn from the past to ensure safer seas for future generations. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more historical content. Hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.